Like, you know when you go to the dentist when you're little and, like, you don't want to go, you know? It wasn't, like that. It was, like, normal, I guess.
You didn't have anxiety or?
Yeah, like that.
It's always a good experience at Morrison Group. We've been coming here for years, and Dr. Kiger and all the dentists are incredibly knowledgeable. The customer service is always right on. I mean, I have nothing to complain about. And I am big into customer service and, you know, how you feel when you walk in, because I'm sure that that's something that you guys strive for. How does it, not only how does it look, is everyone, how many patients we have, how many employees we have, but how does the customer feel? Do they have a good experience when they walk in? So from the time we walk to the front desk and sign in to the time we leave, it's always amazing.
What I really respect about the practice and about Dr. Morrison is it's a great practice. They've done really well, but they haven't lost sight of helping those who are less fortunate. So the fact that they work with Give Kids a Smile and Smile for Heroes and events like that where they actually give back to the community, I think is really important, both personally but also professionally. I think it really shows the integrity of the organization and how they really are here to help. And I think a lot of people are afraid of the dentist, and Dr. Morrison has this charm and charisma that when he comes into the room, you're instantly his friend, you're instantly put at ease. He's cracking jokes with you. It feels like you've known him for a very long time. And it's a very relaxing kind of experience in the dental chair. Growing up, I didn't really like the dentist, but now it's kind of, you just come and you see your friends, and it just feels very relaxing.
Initially, she had a frenectomy, which cut away the muscle that connects your lip to your gum. So that muscle caused the gap in her teeth, which is one of the reasons she got braces. And then we followed up about 6 weeks later with the crown lengthening surgery, which cut away the gum line on the top row of her teeth to reveal more of her teeth. So it gave her a longer teeth, a more beautiful smile, wider. She did an amazing job.
That's great.
I cried after the surgery.
Yeah.
That's how good it was.
It wasn't intimidating going, and it was super nice because all the staff was very sweet and kind, and they let me bring my phone and, you know, listen to music. And they put what's it called, numbing medication in, so I couldn't feel a thing. And even like when I went home, I like still couldn't feel a thing, which was weird, but it was like very helpful because I know like the procedure would have hurt if I could have felt like all the pain.
So about 2 years ago, probably, I did 6 months Smile. I had braces when I was in middle school, and when the braces came off and I had to wear the retainer, a middle school student is not really responsible, so I didn't really keep up with wearing the retainer every night. So eventually, my front 2 teeth had started to widen, so I had a gap. So I did 6 months Smile to kind of correct that gap. And I think I probably had them for close to 5 months. You know, when you're a kid and you have braces, you get those colorful bands and stuff, but with 6 months Smile, they try to keep it as muted and as kind of white as possible. So in actuality, it was actually kind of hard to see that you actually had braces on when you had them. All of the staff here are extremely friendly. I've told people before, you know, it's like going to your friend's house for a meeting. It's, you know, it's not like coming to the dentist when you come here. It really is kind of visiting with friends.
Even though we were patients here, Dr. Kider came. She was recommended by someone, and I got her card and her name and her number, and I had no idea that she worked here. So that was a bonus too. So people are in Williamsburg are talking about Morrison Group. Good things.